Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy walla chicken. First, ensure your chicken is cut into appropriate pieces, about 2 to 3 inches each. Marinate the chicken with a mixture of yogurt, turmeric, red chili powder, and salt for at least 30 minutes. While it marinates, finely chop 2 large onions and 3 medium tomatoes and prepare your ginger garlic paste. Next, heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a heavy-bottomed pan over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and sauté them patiently until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color, which is crucial for the gravy's depth. Then, stir in 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and cook for about 1 minute until its raw aroma disappears. Now, add the tomato puree and cook until the oil begins to separate from the mixture. Now it's time to introduce the marinated chicken to your flavorful base. Add the chicken pieces and mix well, ensuring each piece is coated with the rich masala. Stir in your prepared spice blend, which typically includes coriander powder, cumin powder, and garam masala. Cook the chicken on medium heat, stirring occasionally, for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing it to brown slightly and absorb all the wonderful flavors. Finally, to achieve that perfect gravy, add 1 to 1.5 cups of warm water or chicken broth to the pan. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for another 20 to 25 minutes. This allows the chicken to become incredibly tender and the gravy to thicken beautifully. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve your delicious gravy walla chicken hot with rice or naan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.